Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss sets, class 10, exercise 2.1, problem number 1, 2, 3, 4. In the previous video, we have seen what are the basic concepts on sets. In this session, we are going to discuss exercise problems based on what is set, what is belongs to, how to use belongs to and does not belongs to. Click this I button to learn introduction to sets. Let us see the exercise 2.1. First question. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. So what is set? Already we discussed in the introduction part only. A set is a well-defined collection of objects are called set. So it is well-defined means it is a set. So first question it is the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. Is it the set or not? So it is a set. Why it is a set? The months of the year beginning with the letter J are January, June and July. So January, June, July means this is the well-defined or not? So it is a well-defined. It is a well-defined means it is a set. So here solution. It is a set because the months of a year beginning with the letter J are January, June and July. So it is well defined. It is a well defined. So it is a well defined means it is a set. So the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J are. So what are the beginning with the J, letter J? January, June and July. These three only we are getting. So it is the well defined means it is the set. Next second one. What is second one? The selection of 10 most talented writers in India. Most talented writers. So is it well defined? No, it is not the well defined. Why? Because the collection of most talented writers of India may be vary to person. From one person to other person it may be vary. So that's why it is not the well defined. It is not the well defined means it is not a set. So here solution. It is not a set because the given statement is not a set. The given statement is not a set. Why? Because the collection of the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. The most talented writers of India may vary from person to person. So it is not a well defined. It is not a well defined means it is not a set. Next one, it is third one. What is third one? A team of 11 best cricketers. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. 11 best cricketers, best cricket batsmen in the world. Is it the set? No, it is not the set. Why? Because it is not the well defined. So we can't best 11 best cricket batsmen in the world maybe vary from person to person. So that reason you have to write it. So it is solution. It is not a set because team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world because a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world may vary from person to person. So therefore it is not well defined. So it is not well defined means it is not a set. Now fourth one and fifth one also there. We will discuss that one. Fourth one, the question is the collection of all boys in your class. So is it well defined or not? Yes, it is the well defined. It is the set. Why? Because a student, we can decide he or she. Is it boy or girl, we can identify. So that's why in the classroom only, in the particular classroom only we are deciding he or she. So it is well defined. It is well defined means it is the set. So the given statement is it is a set. It is a set. So a student, because a student we can decide he or she, either boy or girl. So it is a well defined. So it is well defined. Next one, it is fifth one. The fifth question is the collection of all even integers. So is it the set or not? It is a set because the collection of all even integers means 2, 4, 6, 8 like that we are getting. That all are is the well defined only. So it is a set because the collection of all even integers means you can take 2, 4, 6, 8, so on, are well defined. So it is the well defined means the given statement is the set. Next we will go with the second bit, that is based on belongs to or does not belongs to. See here now, second bit. the second problem, it is if A equal set of 0, 2, 4, 6, B equal set of 3, 5, 7 and C equal set of P, Q, R. Then fill the appropriate symbol belongs to or does not belongs to in the blanks. So when we have to use belongs to and when we have to use does not belongs to means, so the set, particular set in the present in the element is present in the particular set means we can use belongs to. So that particular set is not present in the set means we can use does not belongs to. See here, first one it is 0-A. So the 0 element is the present in the set A or not? So it is 0 is the present in the set A, means we can use belongs to. Next 3-C. Now set C we need to take. Set C in what are the element? P, Q are the elements. So this 3 is the present in the set C. So it is not, the element 3 is not present in the set C. Means we can use does not belongs to. Next third one it is 4-B. What are the elements in B? 3, 5, 7. So in this the element 4 is in this B, set in B is there? No, not present in the set B. Means we can use does not belongs to. Next 8-A. So in the set A we can see A set in 0, 2, 4, 6. These are all the elements. So the element 8 is present in the set A. So 8 it is not present in the set A. Means we can use does not belongs to. Next fifth one it is P-C. Means in the set C we can see P is the element or not, present in the element or not. P, Q, R are the elements in the set C. So here in this P is the present. P is the present means we can use belongs to. We can use belongs to. Next sixth one it is 7-B. So the element 7 is present in the set B. Yes, it is in the present in the set B. Means we can use belongs to. Next we will go with third problem, third one, that is express the following statements using symbols. So we have to use here belongs to or does not belongs to. So first question is the element X does not belongs to A. So it is does not belongs to A means element X does not belongs to A. That's it. So we can use the symbols belongs to or does not belongs to. We can use this one or this one. This is the belongs to and this is does not belongs to. Next one, second one, D is an element of the set B. So D is the element on the set B means it is belongs to only. D belongs to B. So the element D is the present in the set B. It means. Next, third one, 1 belongs to the set of natural numbers. 1 belongs to the set of natural numbers. So the element 1 belongs to set of natural numbers we are taking as n. So 1 belongs to n. Next one it is fourth one, 8 does not belongs to the set of prime numbers p. So here set of prime numbers we are taking as p. So the element 8 is does not belongs to means 8 does not belongs to p. Next one it is fourth question, fourth one. State whether the following statements are true or false. Just we can say true or false. Justify your answer. So first question is 5 does not belong to set of prime numbers. So already we know the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on. That all are prime numbers. So here what is the question? 5 does not belong to set of prime numbers. So here prime numbers in 5 is present or does not present? it is the present, means we can use 5 belongs to P, we can use, means prime numbers. So here what is the question? What is given here? 5 does not belong to the set of prime numbers, means it is false. Justify your answer means, so 5 is a prime number. It is 5 belongs to prime number. First one it is completed. Next second one. What is second one? S equal set of 5, 6, 7 implies 8 belongs to S. So the element 8 is in the present of set A, set S? No. 8 does not present in the set S. So it is here belongs to, it is given. Means in this, it is the true statements or false statements? False only, no? Yes. So false. Because 8 is not present in a set S. In the set S in 8, that element 8 is not there in that set S. Next, third one, minus 5 does not belong to W. W means, you know, that is all numbers. All numbers starts from 0, 1, 2, so on. Means, so here what is the question? Minus 5 does not belong to. Minus 5 is not there in this set. All number set in minus 5 is not there. Only 0 and positive values only. Means that does not belong to, it is given, means it is true. So true statement means, so it is already, it is true only now. So the whole number starts from 0. Next, fourth one, 8 by 11 belongs to Z, where Z is the set of integers. Integers means already you know, the positive, negative including 0 are called integers. The positive values, negative values including 0 are called integers. But here what is question? P by Q form. P by Q form means it is the rational numbers. So 8 by 11 belongs to Z. No, nothing. It is not the belongs to Z. It is belongs to S, rational numbers. S. So it is the false statements. False. Because 8 by 11 is a rational number. Or we can write 8 by 11 does not belong to Z, also we can write. We have seen what is a set and what is well defined. How to write belongs to and does not belongs to. In the next video, we will see how to write the roster form and how to write the set builder form. Do comment if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.